What's up, y'all? Welcome to the Hustle and Crab YouTube channel, and today we're going to show you how to make $600 an hour printing t-shirts. Alright, first we're going to start with buying 100 t-shirts from $100 from my wholesale supplier. We're going to leave a link in the comments how you can access this vendor and start buying gilded t-shirts for the lowest prices possible to increase your profits. Next, we're going to buy 100 custom screen printed transfers for $265 from FM Expressors. This is my go-to company when I need bulk orders of screen printed transfers. Next, we're going to place the transfers on t-shirts and press for 15 seconds on 325 degrees, peel hot. You're going to charge $9 a shirt. And to get bulk orders over 100 or more, you're going to target sports teams, large organizations, or restaurants to get the bulk orders so you can make the profit that you need to make. And that's an easy, profitable way to start printing t-shirts. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and follow us for more free game.